Hi guys, welcome back to Gardening with Creations by DX & Co. Today I'm going to show you just a quick tip on how to grow celery from some store-bought celery that you already have possibly in your fridge. I'm going to be trying this method out that I've learned personally. I'm going to show you exactly how we cut it and to get it started, and then we'll follow along in a couple weeks. So this will be just a quick short video for you, and we'll see how it goes. Okay guys, so what we want to do is go up a couple inches on the celery, about 3 inches total, and we want to make a nice cut. You can take all your stalks that you have there, go ahead and put them back in our bag. And what you should be left is there's something that looks kind of like this. And then we've got this here on the bottom. It's kind of tough, it's going to be hard for that to root through, so we actually want to cut that piece off. Not all the way, just enough to kind of expose it for the roots to have something to start growing out of. So we cut that part off there, and let me get the next step. So you want to get yourself a container. This can be a cup, a bowl, whatever, something that's going to be just shallow, that's big enough to fit your cucumber in, or excuse me, not cucumber, but celery in. And with that, you're going to put some water in there. This is water I drew right out of my fish tank. What I'm doing is just filling it up a little bit. You only want about 1 inch to 2 inches of water in there, not much, just enough for the base of the celery to sit in so it can start to form roots. And that's all there is to it, guys. You want to put this next to a sunny window, and it should start sprouting in 1 to 2 weeks. You should start seeing some stalks growing out of the top of it. Now, celery loves cold weather. It is a perennial, so it will come back year after year. Once it bolts in the summertime, it'll seed, and those seeds will spread all over the ground and reseed every year. So it's a nice one to get started so you can have it for years to come. And that's all there is to it, guys. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for more projects like this to come. And if you want to see the progress that we make on this one here. So thanks again for watching. I hope you guys are staying safe, and as always, enjoying your gardens.